Guys, respected cluster head, respected headmistress, and all my dear friends. From last 3 days, we have taken here a training for English kit. You all people were so nice, so active, and so positive response from your side. That's why my colleagues, Power Madam, Lovely Madam, we have double energy to give you something. And I always bear that whatever you have to give it 100%. Gajbar sir is my partner in tag training. We were there in Aurangabad for British Council training. In this last segment, I will say about some speaking skills. How I learned to speak English. Only that I will tell and will end this program. So you need some powerful will to speak in English. What happened? You come to training and we charge your battery. But when training finish, after 2 or 3 days, the battery is going to collapse and there is no charger. And you also forget to speak it, you are not supposed to speak in your class, you take only poems and whatever. But if you want to speak in English language, you have to carry with your mind some things. That you have to listen more English. Listen to the English, if you are a cricket fan, switch to the cricket commentary rather than to Hindi commentary. English news channel. There are so many simple languages. What cluster head is said, I speak in a simple language. No need to speak in hard language. Don't use hard words. No need. Use simple words, simple sentence to speak in English. And the one trick is that you have to speak in your mind. For that, we are thinking so many times in our mind, but we are thinking in our mother tongue. Why? Because it is our mother tongue and we are naturally thinking. But if you want to improve your English language, if you have great will that no, yes, I want to speak English and I want to speak naturally words should come from my mind to my mouth. It will happen when you are going to practice. And for that practice, your mind is a good platform. There is nobody to see you are speaking wrong. Suppose now Gajbar sir is speaking in his mind. What? Now it's 12 o'clock, I want to go to home and then I want to go to the market and buy something. So think in English. Yes. This will help your brain to create words. Afterwards they will create some 2 words, 3 words that will make a sentence. And in mind thinking also you will see, yes, now it's 12 o'clock, my wife is waiting or my husband is waiting, she will call, I have to say something. So think this in English. So it will, then the sentence will construct there. So this is my strategy. I am from Marathi medium. I went to English medium, D.Ed, purposefully because I want to learn English language. I did my 12 science, but science and English speaking is very different. When I went there were 10 to 12 English medium students are there in D.Ed admission. So they are, what Gajbar said, they are very talkative, they know how to speak. They are speaking and we are just watching villagers. We are villagers commonly. Oh no. They are speaking so many things. Then gradually what happened, one unit test came and there we are high rankers. And that people are only talkative. So this is the difference. But that time I thought, if they are speaking good English, but they don't know Marathi also. Don't know how to speak in Marathi, but they are not shining to speak in Marathi. They are speaking Marathi, wrong Marathi, but they are trying, they are not shying. In that time I thought, why I should shy to speak in English. From there, whenever I got chance, I speak in English, and one of us professor was from Kerala. He's a very nice person. If I am going to speak with him wrong English, then also he is accepting. Okay, yes, right. So I got practice on that, and you can speak mind. And one very important thing that whenever I got chance, I speak in my English. Whenever I got chance, I call to Gajbar. Whenever I got chance, I speak to my friends. In spite of if they are making my fun, I don't matter. So if you want to speak in English, practice is very important. I know everybody is very master in writing English. Everybody is master, but speaking is the another thing where you need practice. For that practice, speak in your mind. And my one channel is there. The name of the channel is English Guru. Now I am not working on it, but from last 2 years there are 20 to 25 videos are there. I will give link to my friend. He will give to you. There are some activities of students also. Are there. Okay, so there is too much time. Thank you very much, all of you, once again. You are so kind persons that you give us kind of gifts and flowers. That is very pleasure for me, for madam and our colleague. Thank you, all of you. This is kind of reward that we have done something in training. Thank you once again. Hope we will meet